Hello YouTube, how you doing? Tonight I will talk about the Lambda function. So many people ask me what is the use of Lambda in Python and what is the purpose of this. So let's talk about this Lambda function in Python. Okay, so this is my channel Linux, Unix, AIX. This is mostly for Linux stuff, AIX and Python, shell scripting, etc. Okay, so if you have not subscribed yet, please subscribe it for more of such videos. Okay, so Lambda is nothing but a way to create anonymous function in Python. So it's just a very handy way to create a function, a function without a name and just throw it away. It means just use it on the go and just throw it. So it's not like a function, but it will give you the outcome like a function only. Okay, so it's a very handy tool given by Python. So on the go you can right away, when you need something to be done, use it. You can do it right away using Lambda and just throw it away. So it is used to you know uh, ease your program. Okay, so let's just give you an example. So I'll just give you a syntax for that. What is the syntax for Lambda? So Lambda is like it's the syntax of Lambda is like this: Lambda. Okay, and then you have to give arguments. Okay, argument 1. Okay, argument 1, argument 2, like that. Argument 1, it can take any number of argument. Okay, like that. And then you have to give colon and then the expression. Okay, so you give the expression. So expression is what it is, it will return. So argument 1, and then anything, you can do anything with this expression using the arguments. Okay, so this is the format. So this expression will use the arguments passed to it. Okay, so we'll see this example. So so it's nothing but like it will return the expression. It will take the arguments, any number of arguments, and it will return the function. So let's say, for example, sum is equal to lambda. Okay, and then what it takes a certain number of arguments, let's say comma a, comma b, comma c. So it will take 3 arguments. Let's just take 2 arguments for now, and then it will return, let's say, a plus b. Okay, so you want to print the sum of 2 numbers, just use lambda a comma b. A is one argument, b is another argument, and then colon followed by the expression. Okay, so you see now you can simply print sum, and then you have to pass the arguments which is given in lambda. So let's say 34 55. It is printing the output of this. Okay, so this is how you can make use of lambda. Okay, so if you go and check, I'll also give you a relative view about a function and lambda, like what is the difference between a function and lambda. Okay, so let's say I create a function. Let's say, how do we create function? Using def. So def a function, anything. Okay, so any function, and then okay, colon, and then print a. Okay, so this is another function. So if you see the type of both of them, okay, if you see the type of function, this is my function name, so it is a function, obviously. And if you go and check let's say I want to know the type of this, so both will return the function itself, because both are function. Okay, so this is also function itself. Okay, so but it is anonymous. Okay, and it is like use and throw kind of a thing. Okay, and if you see a fun is a function name, dot a func name. So this is my function, so it is the function name is a fun. But if you see the sum dot func name, so it will give you lambda. So it is a lambda function. So this is like very basic difference between the two, and the purpose is the same. Both are used for as a function itself, but lambda is like whenever you need it, certain things to be done on the go, right away use it, and then forget it. Okay, so like this. So lambda, you can you can give like any other function name. Function 2 is equal to lambda, and you can pass like A comma B comma C comma D. Okay, and then you can put a arithmetic operation. Okay, like a star A multiplied by B minus C plus D, like that. So you can perform these kind of operations using lambda. So if you now print like the output of output of arithmetic operation. Okay, so here you can give sum, and then the name of this function fun, using which is a lambda function fun2, and then you can pass the parameters like 5 comma 6 comma 5 comma 3 comma 4 comma anything 6. Okay, so it will give you the saying cannot concatenate string to int. So obviously this is the output of this is integer, so you have to convert it into string. Okay, so let's just convert it into string. So output of arithmetic operation is 17. So you see 5 this is my function. 5 into 3 is 15. 15 minus 4 is 11. 11 plus 6 is 17. So this is all about lambda function. It is like, again I'll say, it is on the go. If you go on Google and simply search for lambda function, lambda function, lambda in Python. So lambda function, just I'll give you a better example. Use of lambda function in Python. So you see, lambda operator is a way to create small anonymous functions. So it should not be used for big functions, and it is like a throwaway function that they are just needed whenever we need it, and just forget it. Okay, so it's mostly used in the combination with filter, map, and reduce. Okay, so this is all I can say about lambda function. So that's all, and I hope this will give you a better understanding on lambda. Okay, so that's all in this tutorial. Thanks for watching.